Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Dani Aiman bin Mazlan and Muhammad Lukman bin Rosli as my group member, and Mr. Rosdi bin Abdurrahman as my supervisor, and TS Mahmud Abdul Hakim bin Muhammad as a CO supervisor. So I will be representing my project group to present related to our project, that is design of Peltier-based thermoelectric cooling box system. This is our final design from CAD drawing and the real project. First of all, for introduction, what is the thermoelectric cooler box? So the thermoelectric cooler box, it is used to cooling the stuff like beverage using the Peltier module and not using the compressor base like a normal refrigerator. So how Peltier module work? When Peltier module connect to the power source, it will generate the thermal energy, cool and hot at the different side of the Peltier. The cool side will get the maximum of cooling when heat at the hot side released to the maximum. The objective of this project, we designing an electrical cooler system device prototype that use the Peltier module instead of the compressor based cooling system. For the second, we testing the functionality of our designated thermoelectric cooler. For our product description, for the first, Peltier-based thermoelectric cooling box system is consists of polystyrene box, heatsink, Peltier module, CPU fan, and power supply. Second, the mini cooler use the module Peltier as the main component to chill everything inside. The third, the Peltier module can drop the temperature inside the cooler within a couple minutes of time as test. For the last one is the CPU fan and heatsink will prevent the heat to cause any damage on the Peltier and also all the components in the cooler. For product specification, for the dimension, it has a 21 x 25 x 22 cm. For the weight, it has a 2.5 kg. For the color, it mainly in white because the color of the polystyrene box. For the number of component, it has a 7 component. For our product comparison between conventional refrigerator and Peltier-based mini cooler. Okay, for the first, the conventional refrigerator, it has a lot of components need to operate in order to drop the temperature inside the fridge, as the component will tear out and will create problem in the cooling system. For the Peltier-based, it more reliable as the Peltier is the only component that operate to produce the effect of cooling inside. Second, conventional refrigerator, it lack of mobility as the fridge come in big size, hard to move, hard to mount, and difficult to handle because of the size. For the Peltier-based, it very practical as the size is very small and easy to carry, transport, and also very lightweight. For the last one, conventional refrigerator will release harmful gas such as CFC that will contribute to air pollution and also damage our ozone layer. For the Peltier-based, it very environmental friendly as the Peltier module does not release any harmful gas. The project scope is for sector focus. Okay, it used for COD business or cash on delivery business, and small medium enterprise. The machine it used Peltier module-based mini cooler, and design is on-chip software. The advantage and uniqueness of our project: for the first, module Peltier as the main component in the mini cooler. The cooler will save the cost as the Peltier module does not require a lot of power to operate. Third, the cooler is way more environmental friendly compared to the conventional refrigerator, as the cooler uses Peltier that will not release any harmful gas. For the last one, the Peltier can drop the temperature to 20 degrees Celsius within 20 minutes of cooling. This is our award in IMECA 21. We have obtained a gold award for this project at this program. This is our proof of submission of copyright for our project. For the recommendation, for the first, we want to use a bigger polystyrene box because it can able to store more food or beverages that need to be kept at low temperature. Second, it also can provide greater storage space for seller, especially on the product that need to be kept in cool temperature for delivery. For the second recommendation, we want to use more Peltier module that connect in parallel because it can give greater cooling capabilities, which result in a shorter time taken for a product to cool down. For the last one, we consider using a direct current power source. Direct current power source will provide mobility feature on the product, which is it able to move anywhere. For the last one is conclusion. For the first, our designated Peltier-based thermoelectric cooler box work well and thus achieve all the objectives for this project. For the last, it functions well and can cool down the beverages within 30 until 60 minutes. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.